Welcome to our comparison of the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the Hohem iSteady M6. In this video, we will explore the features, performance, and value of these two smartphone gimbals. Whether you're a casual user or a professional videographer, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each product will help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is priced at an affordable $89, making it an attractive option for casual users and beginners. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit comes with a higher price tag of $209, reflecting its advanced features and professional capabilities. While the Osmo Mobile 7 offers great value, the iSteady M6 targets serious creators who need more from their gimbal. When it comes to battery life, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 offers a maximum of 10 hours of operation, which is decent for short shoots. However, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit excels with an impressive 18 hours of battery life, allowing for extended filming sessions without the worry of running out of power. This makes the iSteady M6 a better choice for long days of shooting. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 relies on the DJI Mimo app for its ActiveTrack 7.0 feature, which can be a limitation for some users. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit boasts a hardware-based AI vision sensor that allows for reliable tracking without the need for any app. This independence from software makes the iSteady M6 more versatile and user-friendly in various shooting conditions. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the Hohem iSteady M6 kit offer unique advantages for smartphone videography. The Osmo Mobile 7 is perfect for those seeking an affordable, lightweight option, while the iSteady M6 is ideal for professionals needing advanced features and longer battery life. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.